Mahadev, there is one thing that I come across a lot, and it mostly irritates me. Sometimes it makes me angry, but I see that uh, it keeps on coming, it keeps on coming, it keeps on coming. And that is that I get a lot of questions from people who are enthusiastic about Rudraksh and they want to know more about Rudraksh. And they do a lot of research. Research by, research on Google and on YouTube and Instagram also. And maybe read few books. There are just a couple of books on Rudraksh, good books, I mean. And then they keep on doing that for many months, sometimes even years, and they think that they have become Rudraksh experts. And then they come and cross swords with me. They begin teaching me about Rudraksh. And it's really, ridiculous. The only way you can actually know Rudraksh, what Rudraksh is by wearing Rudraksh, which is beaded North Pole to North Pole, South Pole to South Pole. There is no exception to that. And if the Rudraksh is rightly energized, then it will affect you more strongly. But instead of wearing Rudraksh in the right manner, people spend their time on doing research on internet, and they become experts. I mean, this is really, I would term it sickness. I mean, it's like reading books on swimming. You read hundreds of books on swimming, but you never dare to jump into the water, into the river. Forget about river, you don't even jump into a swimming pool. It's like reading, dozens of books on Rasagulla without having eaten one. It's like watching a lot of pornography, reading a lot about sex on internet, books, whatever, and imagining all sorts of things, masturbating, and thinking that you know what real sex is all about. I can go on and on, just by reading books on how to fly a plane, you will not learn how to fly a plane. But people are wasting their precious time in this kind of stupid research. And this is growing and growing and growing. And there are videos and videos and videos, maybe hundreds of videos on YouTube spewing a lot of balderdash on Rudraksh, just pure nonsense, garbage, misleading everybody, and they are themselves, either mad or God knows what has possessed them. And Instagram and YouTube and Google is flooded with garbage about mantra sadhana, about spirituality, about Rudraksh, especially because I am in the business of Rudraksh. I'm a very small time businessman actually. So it's like, it feels like this is what Kali Yuga is all about. I don't understand why people are wasting their precious time into doing this kind of stupid research. Really, if you want to learn to swim, just jump into the river. Don't think. Reading books on swimming won't help you even one single bit. And first comes the experience, then comes thought. If thought precedes experience, that thought is going to stop you. That thought is baseless. Only when you experience something can you really think about it, because experience is a fact. It's a fact of your life, or anybody who goes through a certain experience, it becomes a fact. It's a subjective fact, of course, but nevertheless, it's a fact. And it's, I think, my words will mostly fall on deaf ears, because I got a lot of smart Alex in my group, Rudraksh Expert, the Eye of Rudra. This group on Facebook has produced dozens of Rudraksh experts without having any idea of what Rudraksh is all about. And maybe some scriptures also, they go through some scriptures, read some scriptures. But what they don't understand is that whatever is written about Rudraksh in the scriptures is written in twilight language, Sandhya Bhasha, which is very typical of tantric texts and even Puranas. It's like, if you take what is written literally, then you're done for. You are going to, keep chasing your shadow, or like a dog chasing its own tail running around a tree. You will never know what is reality and what is just presented there to mislead you. Yes, I mean, tantric scriptures are do this, have done this at highest level, because most of what is written in the tantra shastras, they are written to mislead people who are looking for shortcuts. You cannot know about Rudraksh by taking shortcuts. Most people are looking for just cheap fixes in their life, and wearing seven mukhi will give them, immense wealth. Wearing 12 mukhi will give them, world fame. Wearing 14 mukhi will make them like a millionaire, billionaire, or whatever. This kind of attitude, I mean, the moment you start into the world of Rudraksh with this kind of an attitude, Mahakal will make sure that you get nothing. Rudraksh is really the biggest secret of Rudraksh is that Rudraksh connects you to Mahakal. And once you connect to Mahakal, it's not easy. But if you once connect to Mahakal, then Mahakal will give you dharma, arth, kam, and moksha. Because anybody on the spiritual path, on the right spiritual path, will get dharma, arth, kam, and moksha. What else do you want in life? So think about it, and think about how you are wasting your time, your energy into doing research on Rudraksh, sitting on your maybe laptop or desktop, or nowadays just holding your smartphone in your hand, and you think that you are doing some great research. Well, when all you are doing is just wasting your time. Stop wasting your time and do the right thing. Har Har Mahadev.